She was a retired nurse who spent 40 years saving other people's lives. One 5-second phone call erased $84,000 of her savings. And the worst part, the system made it almost impossible for her to realize it was a scam. I'm Digital Moral. In the next 2 minutes, I'll expose the exact trick that stole her money, and the one rule that could have stopped it. Here's how the system is supposed to work. Your bank uses one-time passcodes as a second lock on your account, something only you can see on your phone. So even if someone has your password, they still can't get in. But there's a flaw. Phone networks will happily show whatever caller ID a scammer chooses. So if they tell the system, "I'm your bank's fraud department," your screen will show your bank's name. The trust is real. The call is fake. Now watch how that glitch becomes a weapon. Margaret, 67, retired nurse, sees her bank's name on her phone. She answers. A calm voice says, "Ma'am, we've detected suspicious activity on your account. We're going to send you a verification code. For your safety, please read it back to me so I can block the transaction." Her phone buzzes. A real text from her real bank. 6 digits. She reads the code out loud. 5 seconds. That's all it takes. Quick question for you. Would your parents or grandparents read that code out loud if they saw their bank's name on the screen? What actually happened? At that exact moment, the scammer was on the bank's website, pretending to be Margaret, clicking log in, and triggering that code. The code was never for blocking a transaction. It was the key to open her account. The system doesn't care whether you type the code or speak it into a stranger's ear. Once it's used, they're inside. $84,000 wired out before she even hangs up. Here's the rule that protects you. Never verify anything through the same channel that contacted you. If your bank calls you, hang up. Use the number on the back of your card, or the official app, or walk into a branch. Always verify large payments with a second channel. Text, in person, or video call. Because until the system changes, you are the last security layer left. If you want more breakdowns of the systems that quietly drain people's money, subscribe to Digital Moral so you don't meet these tricks for the first time when they're targeting you.